saga on the Hobart handler. I'm going to go ahead and try replacing the liner that goes inside the boot. I'm glad for Tractor Supply curbside pickup. So they had this in stock, and I'm going to go ahead and try to put this in. I'm hoping it helps. This really matters, but it's really hard to see, but you see the neck in the blue? I wonder if that has anything to do with what's going on. And further down on the cable, it's like rusted, it's gummed up, it's got all kinds of crud in it. Dents and dimples. As my friend Greg says, it's a lot of character. Yep. I'm not gonna hammer and dolly all of this. This is fine. Might put a little body filler on some of it, but it does not need to be perfect. Trust me. I'm just making sure that I don't have any major rust. That's one dent that I'm certainly leaving. That definitely is character there. And you can see my spot welds. Need to do a better job. But, working on it. Actually, it turns out on the dash, I have 2 holes, maybe 3 over here I have to fill. And I think there's 4 over there. And I'm debating about doing that or not. On the original book, you didn't have anything about windshield wipers because they were vacuum. You just opened a little valve, but I'm getting electric, so I don't know. I might just leave some of the holes. This here is where the instructions go, all the data panels. What I've done on this sheep is to try to get that panel out and show you what it looks like. This thing goes up under here like that, and it's held in by flat screws, stern screws, and they're all rotten, and that's all the rust that came out of there. I also took the battery box bottom off, which was okay. Turns out this thing is spot welded all around. It's in good condition. I don't want to take it out, but I gotta clean it. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. The hinge was stuck, so I had to cut that off, and I can get a new hinge. Actually, it's just go down to a hardware store and you'll get one. I have a battery box door that I need to bolt in, but I'm going to repair this first. Might not even really need to. Clean it up for sure. Seam seal all up inside, and do some cleaning of this. Terrible idea. A little bit of everything on. It's starting to cool down, and I need to clean up my mess. So I'm gonna go get the vacuum cleaner, clean all this out, and then I'm gonna get the leaf blower and blow everything else that I can't get with the vacuum, and then button up shop. It's gonna rain tomorrow, and I've got some cabinets to work on in the house for Sunday. So anyway, I cleared all the probably lead paint off as best I could. 3 layers of paint. It had blue, yellow, and green, but then some of it had primer. So I don't know how I'm going to clean out from under here. Probably not. Just going to get a scuff pad, some sandpaper, and just scuff it up and then spray paint it. But everything else that is accessible, I will go ahead and sand and prime and paint and do all the things. So let me get out of the tub here because I lost my engine. More like Fred Flintstone in it. This has taken me a while to get this to fit right, but you need 0.001 to 0.006, and I'm at a 0.003 on both sides, so I'm going to leave it. I would prefer to be at 0.006, but I think it'll wear around a little bit. It's all together. I had a corrupt file on my card because GoPro was kind of weird. I had to find my little Zerk fittings here for the axle, and I thought I had a breather tube or, you know, a breather for this, but I can't find it. So I'm going to probably just shove a Zerk fitting in there for now. It's the same thread, and I'll order one online tonight. Let me get that put in. 1/8 NPT plug, and I need a Zerk fitting in there. I am going to grease it, but I'm going to roll this out to the back first. That guy's on. Let me check the other one real quick. Okay. Just going to throw these bad boys in. Hopefully they'll fit. Probably should have bought the straight up and down ones because wherever these get stuck, probably can't get the grease gun to it. Like that. That's a bad decision on my part to do this. So let me order the right ones. Maybe we're okay. I think I'll leave it there. Alright, let's put the other one in. This is only temporary, just to keep water out for the night, next couple days. Wow, maybe I need to tap that again. It's hitting weird. There it is. gotta fix this one. I didn't have that part of the shackle pushed all the way forward or to the left inside the housing here. And then I started tightening it down, and now I gotta back it all the way out, hold it, and then push back in. Dang it. Should have brought a... Should have brought a hammer. Gonna be difficult. I'm back. Ground those down real quick so I can stick them in. Ugh. It's getting really cold out. I can see my breath now. Not a fan. Really wouldn't mind moving back north though. We'll see. I think when I go to retire here shortly, a couple years, I'm gonna move. I don't know where. I don't really have anywhere to go. Yeah, find a place kind of out in the country area and build a little garage and probably just retire and live the rest of my life there. feel like I need a C-clamp here to pull this. Probably buggered up all them threads. It's so cold out here. Oh my god. I need to find my jacket. Let's put this bad boy down. Here we go. I'm heading in. It's super cold out here right now. So, as you can see, my what I joke about is my pooping field for the dogs. The exterior lights came on, so it's time to go in. Time to get some dinner, feed them, get out of the mud, because I'm going to show you real quick before I go back in, but I've been laying in a puddle of mud, and I put some plywood down so that I wouldn't get soaking wet, but I'm still wet, so it's terrible. But we got a roller. Got a roller. It's been 6 months since she sat on her own shoes. Trying to keep the rain out best I can. So, okay guys, Merry Christmas. Have a good one. Take care.